Yes, I. Good to get away in nature sometimes, you know. Yeah. Yeah, among the trees and so refreshing, boy. Nature, boy. So refreshing, you know. Birds whistling. And yes, I. Nature is the best escape, you know. Yeah, it rejuvenates your energy, everything. So let's make and continue to make nature our best friend, you know. Yeah. Yeah, we need to coexist with nature, man. Yes, I. Wow, look at these fishes. Hey. Wow, look at those fishes. So those fishes moving together, they? That is how mankind supposed to move. In one accord, you know? Yeah, the birds do it. And as you can see, the fishes doing it, you know? Moving in one accord. So that is how the Father designed it, you know? That is the only way we could accomplish the ultimate purpose. You know, we have to move as one, you know? Yeah, that is how we have to move. We have to move as one. The fishes just do it. The birds just do it. The elephants just do it. The lions just do it. Yeah, why we can't do it? Why humanity can't do it, you know? Yeah. Why we can't do it? We need to do it. Yeah, man. Jah light shining, you know? Yeah, we need to do it, you know? Let me come together, man. Aye.